What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online by clicking buttons. It may sound too good to be true, but it's not. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. And if you like videos that show you how to make money online, whether just a couple $100s a month or thousands of dollars that allows you to quit your job and start an entirely new life, subscribe to the channel. I come out with videos multiple times a week and you'll find something here for you. So I look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Anyways, if you want to make money by just clicking a button, 2 buttons, 3 buttons, go to www. It seems impossible, right? Just sign up for something and start clicking buttons and you make money. Well, that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Now, it won't be a life-changing amount of income. At most, you'll make about $20, $30 a day, a couple $100s a month. But a couple $100s a month for sitting down at home and clicking a few buttons is really worth it in my humble opinion.
My dear person, we here at Glove and Boots agree with what you said.
So I'm going to jump over to the computer. I'm going to show you the website you can use to start making this money, and I'm going to show you what you can do to maximize your income. So YSense is a website that allows you to generate income by performing certain tasks, taking advantage of offers, and filling out online surveys. And you can also refer people and earn a commission of 30% of everything someone makes. So if you refer like 100 people and each one is making a couple $100s a month, then that is an income that you can live off alone. But that's not what this video is about. What we're talking about here is how you can click a few buttons and make a couple $100s a month. Right, so the sign up process is really straightforward. All you have to do is type in your email, your password, and then ask you a few questions about yourself, and you're good to go. Once you sign in, you'll be confronted with your dashboard, and then you can go to offers. Right now, I'm under when ads. So when it's. So you have to accept their cookies. And as you can see, there are 2 different offers for me here, just 7 cents and 25 cents. Now, it's not a lot of money, but it can add up over time. If you come here, you check out all the offers at once. So let me look at YSense offers. The actual YSense platform has offers for me. So this one, if I sign up for Blue Chew and start a free trial, they'll give me $25. But I have to stay past my trial, which means I have to spend money to make money. For me, that's not very appealing because I'm here to make money, not spend money on something that I probably won't use. So I'm going to check out some other offers. Here's one. Here are offers from Revenue Universe. Like this one is 36 cents. And this one is 380 cents, which is $3.80. And then this one is 16 cents. And there are ways to earn bonus cents. This one is just 7 cents. So what you want to do is you want to come back every day because the offers change up every day. And you want to go through all the different offers that are available. So from Revenue Universe, I can earn about $5 right now. So from the first one, $25. The second one, like 50 cents. The third one, about $5. And then this one again, another $5. All right. So just go through and find different offers available to you. And then before you can actually take any surveys, you have to unlock surveys. You'll earn $5. And so once you click this unlock surveys, it'll take you through a series of questions. They're asking you your age, your income, your marital status, your household status, like do you have kids, how old are your kids, and things of that nature, so that they can match you with the right surveys. So once you go through this process and you're matched, and then they understand, they have a profile of you, then you can access all these surveys here. Like once I finish this survey here, I'll have access to one of 62 cents, $3.26, $4.50. And this is about $10 together. And it also shows you how long it'll take. So once you're done, once you've taken all of these surveys, you want to come back the next day and you'll have even more options available to you. And now I want to look at the task. So again, there are 3 sections to YSense. You have the surveys, you have the offers, and then you have the tasks. And you want to come back every day and check all of them so that you can maximize your earning potential by just clicking a few buttons. Now, this one pays a cent, so I would personally ignore it because it's simply not worth it. It's not really worth the time. But I definitely encourage you to check this every single day to find out the ones that are best for you, the ones that fit you. So let's look at, if you want to become an affiliate, the affiliate program pays 30%, as I mentioned before. So if you refer like 100 people, each one is making a couple $100 a month, then you can actually earn thousands of dollars every month just by referring people to YSense. So let's look at how you can cash out. So there are multiple options to cash out. You can get an Amazon gift card, you can use Payoneer, but Payoneer has a $52 limit, or you can use PayPal, which has a $10 limit. And then also Skrill, which has the lowest limit starting from $5.05. But of course, you'll need to register your Skrill account to be able to access that. So again, I want to stress this. This isn't a way to make thousands of dollars a month, but this is a way to make consistent extra cash, $10, $15, $20 a day. Over a month, that's like $500 or $600 that you can use to maybe save, or you can use to knock out one or two bills or something of that nature. Just make sure you log in every day and that you're consistent, and you'll be able to collect this cash and actually do something reasonable with it. If you miss a few days, then of course your earning has gone down. But there's nothing simpler than this when you want to make money online. All you have to do is click a few buttons and cash out once your balance is large enough. There's nothing easier than that, and it's really the first step when you want to start making money online. This shows you how everything works. Like, this is an entry-level job, and then from there you can upgrade and start earning even more by working online. Now, that's how you make money, by clicking a few buttons. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and thumbs up for this video, and I will see you in the next one.